Planet Defenders to the rescue.
Japan's southern islands are famous for their coral reefs. Iso, Mitsuko, and Sorano love snorkeling there.
Wow, that reef was amazing.
I saw turtles and rays down there.
And the reef was beautiful.
A tanker is nervy. It's carrying oil to the towns on the island.
Captain, I think there is a problem with the engine.
This is impossible. This is the most modern tank in the world. A few minutes later.
We are very near the reef, Captain. We need to take the exit.
Oh no, I can't do the boat. It's too late now. The tanker's on the rocks. There's a hole in each side and the oil is coming out.
I'm going to help the Coast Guard. Stay here, children. Quick, please. We need to do something now.
The children transporting to the Planet Defenders. When I work together, they can do incredible things.
Hey, water and ice, unite!
The Planet Defenders fly to the hangar since don't look.
Oh no! Some oil is floating towards the reef. It mustn't get to the reef. Millions of fish live there. The reef keeps the ocean clean. We must work quickly.
First, I saw use his power to freeze the oil.
Well done, Iso.
Now it's Ernest's turn to help. She used her power to blow the oil away the reef.
But look, some of the oil is floating towards the reef. But there's still some oil in the water. What can we do to clean it up?
I've got an idea. Mitsuko used her power to pick up the oil and put it back to the sea.
Well done, Mitsuko. Now it isn't any oil on the water. The reef and the fish are safe. Well done, Mitsuko.
The coast guards pulled the tanker away, and Sorano, Mitsuko, and Iso returned to the village. They are just in time.
Did you see the Planet Defenders?
No, we didn't. What happened?
They cleaned up all the oil in the